Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about switch statement. Switch statement is a type of control statement. The switch statement is used whenever we have a several group of statements, and among these several group of statements, we have to select only one group of statements for execution. This is the syntax for switch statement. First, you need to write switch, and after that, in parenthesis or in bracket, you need to write an expression. This expression must have integer value, and this expression can be a single character. As I told you in one of the previous tutorial, that single character is of type integer. Now after that, there will be curly braces, and within the curly braces there are several group of statements having case labels. And as you can see here, there could be a one group of statements which we can have a label default. So this group of statement which is having the label default, this group of statement is optional. Now you can see the case labels, how we write the case labels for group of statements. First you need to write the keyword case, and after that you need to write an expression. As you can see here, this group of statement is having this case label, keyword case, and after that expression 1. And this group of statement is having this case label. So how this switch statement works: if the value of this expression, which is in the parenthesis along with switch, if the value of this expression is same as the value of expression 1, then this group of statement which is associated with this case label will be executed. If the value of this expression which is in the parenthesis is same as the value of expression 2, then this group of statement will be executed. Now if the value of the expression which is in the parenthesis, it doesn't match with any expression of case label, in that case what happens, this group of statement which is having the label default will be executed. Now as you have noticed that each group of statement is having a break statement at last, then what is the significance of this break statement? This we will see in this tutorial. Now let us write a program using switch statement. So here I have written a program using switch statement. So here in the main function you can see the first line. In this I have declared a character type variable ch. Now here you can see the second line, it will print the message enter a single character. Now see the third line, there's a third statement. So what this third statement does, it uses scanf function, so that whatever the single character is entered by the user through keyboard, its value is assigned to the character type variable ch. And after that, here starts the switch statement. First you need to write the switch, right, as I told you earlier. And here I have written the switch, and after that in parenthesis I have written this expression, this character type variable ch. After that, within the curly braces, you can see that there are several group of statements having the case labels. So if the value of variable ch is small a, then this group of statement will be executed, right? If the value of variable ch is small b, then this group of statement will be executed. Why it is so? Because here you can see the case label of this group of statement. The expression in the case label is small b, right? If the value of variable ch is small b, then this group of statement will be executed. And if the value of this variable ch is small c, then this group of statement will be executed. If the value of variable ch is neither a nor b nor c, then this group of statement will be executed, which is having the label default. Now as I told you earlier also that this group of statement which is having the label default, this is optional. So let us execute this program. So I have executed this program, right? So here for variable ch, I have entered the value small a. So you can see that hi has been printed on output screen, right? Because when the value of variable ch is small a, then this group of statement will be executed. And see here in this group there is this statement which is calling the printf function. This statement will print hi on output screen. So similarly you can see if the value of a variable ch is c, then fine has been printed on output screen. Why it is so? You can see if the value of variable ch is a small c, then this group of statement will be printed, and here you can see that this statement will print fine on output screen. Now if the value of variable ch is neither a nor b nor c, then what will happen? Suppose the value of variable ch I have entered set, then in that case what will happen? The group of statement associated with the label default, it is executed. So here you can see this statement was executed when the value of variable ch was z, and this statement has printed the output, it is default. Now as you have seen here that these all group of statements are having only a single case label. A group of statement can have more than one case label. As you can see here, this group of statement is now having two case labels, this one and this one. So the expression in this case label is single character capital A. The expression in this case label is this one, this character small a. So what it signifies? It signifies if the value of variable character c, if the value of a character variable ch is either capital A or small a, right? If the value of character type variable ch is either capital A or small a, then this group of statement will be executed, right? See here, if the value of a variable ch is capital A or small a, either of them, here I have entered the value capital A, then this group of statement will be executed, which is printed the high on output screen, right? This group of statement is executed, and this statement has printed high on output screen. So a group of statement can have more than one case labels. So now let me tell you the significance of break statement. Now suppose this group of statement doesn't have break statement, right? Then what will be its effect? If the value of a variable ch is small a, then this group of statement will be executed, which is associated with this case label having the expression small a. Now this group of statement doesn't have break statement at last. At its end, it doesn't have break statement. At its end, it doesn't have break statement. So what will be its effect? Its effect is that the next group of statement will be executed on its own, right? So in this case, if the value of variable ch is small a, then this group of statement will be executed. Here only one statement is there which will print high, and then next group of statement will be executed. So this statement will print hello. So if the value of variable character ch is small a, then hi and hello both are printed. Now if I remove this break statement also, and the value of variable ch is character small a, right? Value of variable ch is character small a, then first this group of statement will be executed, which is a single statement, right? Since in this group of statement there is no break statement at end, then the next group of statement will be executed, right? This group of statement also doesn't have break. So what will happen? the next group of statement will be executed. So in this case, what output will be printed? First hi, then hello will be printed, and then fine will be printed on output screen. Let us see. You can see hi, hello, fine, they have been printed. So what happens if a group of statement doesn't have break statement at its end? Then what happen if the value of expression which is in the parenthesis with switch matches with the expression of that case label which is associated with that group of statement? Then that group of statement will be executed, and since this group of statement doesn't have break statement at its end, then next group of statement will also be executed, right? So what this break statement does, this break statement takes the control of execution out of the switch statement, right? So as you can see here, the last group of statement, right, which is having the label default, right? So in switch statement, the last group of statement doesn't require break statement because it doesn't have any next group of statement after it, right? So here I have not written the break statement in this group of statement at last. Now if this group of statement which is having the label default, right, uh, if it was not the last statement, if it is somewhere in between, then in that case this group of statement must have the break statement at its end. Otherwise what happen, whenever this group of statement is executed, right, then what happens if it doesn't have break statement, then next group of statement will also be executed. So in switch statement what happens, the last group of statement doesn't need to have a break statement at last, right? At its end it doesn't need to have a break statement. Hope you have understood how this switch statement works.